Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the bumper accessible. Park level, handbrake set, then disconnect the negative battery to avoid sensor faults. Once done, raise the front with a jack and put stands under sturdy points so you can work safely. Removing the wheel and splash guard gives clear access to lower fasteners. Next, unclip the grille and remove the 3 top screws. This exposes the bumper clips. Make sure you keep fasteners organized so reassembly is straightforward, and you avoid mismatched bolts later. You now work through the middle steps. Remove every screw, top, arch, and lower, keeping them ordered and photographing positions to help during reassembly. Once screws are out, use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the bumper free at the clips. Do this gradually to avoid snapping tabs. As you peel the bumper back, disconnect fog light plugs and parking sensor connectors. Inspect the absorber foam and metal reinforcement for bends or rust. Replace any damaged clips or corroded connectors so the bumper will sit true and the lights will function reliably. You finish by aligning the bumper and refitting it carefully. Start at the center and work outward so the edges seat evenly. Push each clip home until you hear a click, then reinstall screws in the reverse order, torquing visible bolts to factory feel. Too tight can crack plastic. Reconnect fog lights, sensors, and the battery, then inspect gaps and latch engagement. Finally, take a short test drive and recheck after cooling. If alignment is off, check for a missed clip or bent mounting bracket and realign before final tightening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.